Hello everyone, this is Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Now today we're going to quickly go over the setting a new string into the Python, meaning you type in a couple letters and it'll appear on screen. Now the first thing I like to do here is just to create a file, save it to your to any location you like. In this case I called the file lesson1 hello. Now, after that's set up, there are three ways you can type a string or text. The first way is with just simply using print, make sure that's lowercase, and then with quotation marks and parentheses. The second one is the same way as well, print double quote, and then the last one is triple quotes. Thank you for watching.